I want you to check out these notes on the A string. They are notes you know well. But we are going to learn a new note today, B flat, and what that does is it pulls the first finger back halfway between the open string and the first finger tape. So that note will no longer be used while we're playing B flats. We'll be pulling our first finger back. Let's try playing this on our instrument. We're going to do 2 notes on each pitch. The thing that will feel the weirdest is the distance between each of the sets of notes. Watch your fingers to make sure they land correctly. Here's 2 A's. Now that B flat, first finger pulled back. C natural, halfway in between the tapes. And covering the third finger tape, so you have to reach all the way up there. Let's do that in a row without stopping. 3, 4. The main thing you have to remember is when we're playing flats that it pulls the finger towards the scroll, okay? So if you play 2 B's on the tape and then you pull it towards the scroll and play 2 B flat, the note sounds a tiny bit lower. Let's do that together. Play 2 regular B's, first finger, adjust it and play 2 B flats. Now we're going to play some songs in the lesson book, and all of the songs today are going to use this new B flat on the A string. So check out page 20, song number 92. Okay, so we're using B flat, C natural, and then third finger reaching all the way to its normal location. Here we are on number 92. 1, 2, 3, 4. C natural, stretch to D. Let's do that one more time. Make sure your first finger is pulled back halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next song, number 93, Rolling Along, let's climb up to set the high D. Okay, so now we're set. We've got our fingers in the right place to start the song. Here we go on 93. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow circle, second line. So we just really want to make sure that the first finger is pulled back far enough, and then that second finger and third finger land appropriately. Number 94, starting on the B flat, so set up that pulled back first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, bow lift, and once I set my first finger down on that B flat, I am leaving it there unless I have to pick it up to play open A. So as I climb up, I am leaving my fingers down. Here's 94 again. Look at your fingers, make sure that B flat is in the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch. 1, 2, bow lift, high D. on page 21, we're going to be using a pulled back first finger on the E string, and that is F natural. So normally when first finger is on the tape, it is F sharp. So when we want F natural, we have to pull it back. The G natural, again, is in between the tape for 1, 2, and then we have to really stretch to third finger. So we're making that W again. So now let's go to page 21 and let's look at 95. Test your F natural. See if it's pulled back far enough. Okay, sometimes I have to tip my wrist a little bit to really get it in the right place. Here we are on 95. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch, stretch again. One more time. 1, 2, 95, here we go. '96. Look at the key signature and notice there are no sharps. That's how I know that I need to pull that first finger back and play F natural, because there's nothing there telling me that it is a sharp. So here we are on 96. Test your F natural if you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch to 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Look at the orangish yellow area right above number 97 in the lesson book. It says key signature F major, and it has that flat symbol on your B note. So that just means we're playing every single B as a B flat for the entire song, unless they use a natural to cancel it. So when you look at number 97, you see that B flat next to your clef, and then we'll be using the B flat we just practiced, both on that first line and the second line. Now if you think you're going to forget, take a pencil and mark that flat symbol above those B's. Now we're going to play number 97. So set up your first note. It's that F natural note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes B flat. And pulled back first finger. So let's do that first line again. Double check your finger landings. Make sure they land in the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat it. Stretch it. Pull it back, natural. Okay, now we're going to try the whole scale next. So here's number 97, first and second line. Remember, we start on F natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flat, stretch, E string, pulled back first finger, bow lift, F, C natural, pull back, B flat, natural F. One more time, the whole thing. 97. 3, 4. Stretch. Bow lift and natural. Flat it for